that's CARDI, y'all. Oh, turn on the post note. Get into it.
I said I love you and I wish I never did. I swear to God, you stupid bitch. I'm sipping
What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I know I've been gone for a long time, but I'm not gonna keep y'all for too long because I don't want to talk too much. So basically what we're gonna be doing in this video is I'm gonna show you guys how I made my photo wall collage, but I have my own take on it. I have my own spin, so I thought might as well show y'all. Okay, so basically what you want to do is you can either print out pictures, or what I did was I had a lot of magazines, so I just cut out pictures. So I have a lot of pictures here, so basically I got some stuff that either inspired me or just things I liked. Oh, and if y'all can see, I did a Louis Vuitton wall over there, just that little part. If you look at the back of them, you can see that they're just out of a magazine. And that's how you're gonna do it for cheaper, because if you wanted to go print out stuff like this, it's gonna cost money. And we're in quarantine, so. But it's a lot of celebrities in here like this. You got the baby, Khaled, DJ Khaled, another Billy one. But there's a lot, so I think I'm gonna put it on this wall right here so I can have a background when I'm recording for y'all and it's not so just blank. Okay, so the main thing you're gonna need for this project, like I said, are the pictures, which you can, okay, so if you guys go ahead, I'll put a picture. Y'all can follow me on Pinterest. I have a whole board filled with wall collage pictures, so if y'all wanna go on that, or you can just look up aesthetic pictures online and then print them out. But I just decided to go this way because there's a lot of pictures I like and it's a cheaper route. You need the picture, right? And then you need tape. So I got this masking tape, but we're gonna start. I forgot to mention you might also need scissors for this project. And I might play music, so if I'm putting it up and y'all don't hear me, you're gonna hear background music if I play music. But yeah, if there's stuff I need to say, I'm gonna say it. But let's just go because I'm talking too much. And I'm just getting the tape. And since it's not double-sided, all you have to do is, you can either rip it or cut it, but no one's gonna see the tape, so it doesn't really matter. You just fold it over to create double-sided tape. Simple as that. Alright, so we're gonna put Billy right here in the middle. I'm thinking this is gonna look so fire. Okay. So I'm gonna put it on all four corners. Okay, so as you guys can see, I put up my first picture right there. But to make this whole process easier, I'm just gonna cut out a whole bunch of sections of tape so that I don't have to do it and it's gonna take too long. So yeah.
It's Jake.
Baby, he's the reason for the way you feeling. I know what you need and you can get it on. So, yeah.
Todd, can you play that again?
I ain't like the others, soon you're gonna discover this the type of loving that can change your life. Ooh, I got all.
Okay, so I got a whole bunch of pieces of tape laid out. Okay, so y'all saw the tape. Now I'm just gonna start putting up the rest of the big pictures. I feel like it's about to rain. Florida weather, bro. It's been raining the last 3-4 days straight on. I didn't get to do no Memorial Day stuff. I was trying to go to the beach, but it was raining. And they don't even have lifeguards, so I don't know if that was gonna be the safest option. So we didn't go to the beach. And then we were trying to go to play basketball. And they have all the freaking nets. No, the whole rim actually. The whole rim is off the basketball hoop. So we took a fat L. We went to every park in our neighborhood. CARDI.
Wait a damn minute. What?
Switch the mode.
DiGiorno. DDG.
Okay, so basically, if y'all saw like any of that whole clip, whatever, y'all can see like how I put up all these. So this is what we got. I'm gonna put up more big pictures. I'm gonna put up more big pictures, but I'm just gonna keep these what I have for now because I might have enough to put on the other side of my room. So I want to make sure that I don't use them all. So yeah. So we have a lot of smaller pictures, as y'all can see. And I'm definitely putting this up there. It's some NBA players, what they wrote on their shoes. Let me show y'all mine. Alright, so this is what I wrote on mine. Wait, where's that picture? The Kobe's I have, they don't fit me, so I was gonna write on my Kobe's, but I wore these like the day of the game, the next game we had. So I have RP Kobe right there, number 8. I wrote something about Gigi, but I guess it wore off. I don't know. I for sure wrote her. Oh no, did I? I don't know, I think I did. But then I just got the date right there, and then his other number, which is 24. We got food in here too because you know I love food. So, like I was saying, so we got the other bigger pictures, whatever. So I'm gonna put those up right now, and we're gonna speed it up.
Empire, 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 empire.
Oh!
Y'all, I almost fell. And also, the lighting is probably gonna be, like, this is probably way darker from when I first started the video because it looks like it's literally getting ready to rain. Is this even Cardi B? I think I've been lying to y'all this whole time. I didn't even look at the picture right. I don't even know. Like, honestly, who is this? I don't know, bro. What? Hold on, am I tripping? Y'all, is that Cardi or am I like dumb? Like, I don't think that's Cardi, y'all, and I've been calling her Cardi this whole time. Y'all let me know if that's Cardi or not. If it's not, I'm sorry. I'm gonna try and put some. I'm probably one of the most lit and most talented small YouTubers out here. Like, it's a lot of y'all small YouTubers. I ain't trying to flex, but my editing is just greater. Like, do you see the editing in this video? Do you really see the editing in this video? Look at my intro, bro. It's fire. I know. See my banner? It's fire. You see my thumbnails? It's fire. So if you messing with my thumbnails, all that editing stuff, make sure you go check out my freaking Instagram page where I do all that. It costs money, but it's fire. Like, y'all see my editing, y'all see my skill, you see the skill, you know. So if you want an intro, if you want a banner, all that, you're trying to get your YouTube thing started, go ahead and get right, you know. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I got a few more pictures to go. I'm gonna fill in that spot right there, and then those two maybe up there a little bit. But yeah, we're almost done. This is exactly what I mean by Florida weather. Like, it's literally just what I mean. Alright, so I know this lighting is not good at all, but as I can see, I filled in most of everything, and I'm about to put up my last picture right now. So, yeah. So, this is this whole wall. Louis V up there with the pics. Alright, so you guys saw the whole wall collage. You can't really see it right now, but it's up there. Yeah, I just wanted to say, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn on the post notification because y'all need to watch my videos. So, I mean, anyways, just turn on the post notification. I know y'all hear that. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that. And I'm gonna see y'all later.
One bad bitch, and she do it, I say. 340s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Put up a phone out of the blueberry phone.